privacy,
charm,
and top-rated schools.
This home has it all.
Welcome to 9410 Caracas in Cuernavaca, Westlake in Austin, Texas. Let's go inside.
A cozy wood-burning fireplace equipped with a gas starter, ideal for creating warm memories. Interiors bathed in natural light thanks to thoughtful design and large windows.
About you, but I love to entertain, and this kitchen is absolutely perfect for that. It has a ton of storage, a lot of counter space, and it's recently renovated.
A friendly, walkable neighborhood fostering a sense of community and convenience. A private setting as the home is set back from the street, offering tranquility and seclusion. Located in the highly rated EANES ISD, this home combines modern updates with timeless charm. An expansive backyard adorned with mature oak trees and a brand new deck, perfect for outdoor gatherings and relaxation. Look at the size of this backyard. To schedule a private tour, reach out to us today.